Monkey works hard. Monkey earns leaves. Two choices. Put leaves somewhere safe, or make leaves work harder. Most monkeys choose safe. Most monkeys choose bank. Bank says thank you. Gives 1% back. Monkey feels responsible. Other monkeys invest. Take leaves and put them into something that can grow. More risk. More reward. Saving and investing are not the same thing. Most monkeys think they are. They are not. Not even close. Saving is keeping leaves somewhere accessible. Monkey can get them anytime. Safe. Predictable. Earning almost nothing. Investing is buying something that can grow in value over time. Banana company shares. Index funds. Property. Bonds. Saving protects what monkey has. Investing grows what monkey has. One is a shield. One is an engine. Both are important. Neither replaces the other. But most monkeys only save. And wonder why banana pile never really gets much bigger. Saving alone has limits. Here is the hidden problem with saving only. Inflation. Banana prices rise every year, usually around 3 to 4%. Monkey Bank gives 1% interest. Inflation takes 4% of purchasing power. Real return is negative 3%. Every year, Monkey saved 1,000 leaves. Has 1,010 after 1 year. Feels good. Can now buy fewer bananas than before. Number went up. Value went down. This is the money illusion. Saving felt safe. Was actually losing value. Monkey who saves only will fall behind. Not dramatically. Not visibly. Slowly. Quietly. Every single year without stopping. Investing fixes this. Historical average return of diversified index fund is 7 to 10% per year. Well above inflation. Monkey who invests beats inflation. Monkey who only saves does not. Gap between them widens every single year. But investing has risk. Investment value can go down. Market crashes. Companies fail. Short-term losses are real. Saving has zero risk to the number. 1,000 leaves stays 1,000 leaves. But real value slowly erodes. Always. Invisible slow loss versus visible short-term loss. Both are risks. Monkey must understand both before choosing strategy. Answer is not one or the other. Answer is both. Two buckets. Different purposes. Different time horizons. First bucket. Emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of monkey expenses. In savings. Accessible. Not invested. Ever. Emergency fund protects monkey when life goes wrong. Job lost. Illness. Unexpected large expense. Monkey does not panic. Without emergency fund, monkey is forced to sell investments at wrong time. Possibly when market is down. Very bad. Emergency fund lives in high-yield savings account. Better rate than standard account. Still accessible. Completely separate from investment pile. Once emergency fund is full, monkey can start investing the rest. Not before. Emergency fund first. This rule is firm. How to turn saving into investing. Step 1. Open investment account. Brokerage. ISA. Superannuation. Whatever monkey country offers. Step 2. Choose what to invest in. Simplest choice for most monkeys. Low-cost index fund. Diversified. Automatic. Index fund means monkey buys tiny piece of many companies at once. One purchase. Hundreds of companies. Risk spread automatically. Step 3. Set up automatic monthly transfer. Same day every month. Fixed amount moves from bank to investment account. Monkey does not have to think about it. Does not have to decide each month. Money moves itself. Always. This is called paying yourself first. Investment happens automatically before monkey spends leaves on anything else. Very important habit. How much should monkey invest? Start with whatever is possible. Even 50 leaves per month. Amount matters less than habit. Increase amount every time income increases. Even small increase makes large difference over decades. Compound growth rewards consistency above everything. Simple example. Monkey invests 100 leaves per month starting at age 25. At 7% average annual return. At age 55, monkey has contributed 36,000 leaves over 30 years. Account now contains approximately 121,000 leaves. Same monkey. Same effort. Another monkey starts same investment at age 35. Same 100 leaves monthly. Same fund. Only 20 years instead of 30. Second monkey contributed 24,000 leaves. Account contains only 52,000 leaves. First monkey has more than twice as much. Difference is not the contribution amount. It is the time. 10 extra years of compounding nearly doubled the final result. Common mistake. Waiting until Monkey has enough money to start investing. There is never enough. Start with whatever Monkey has now. Every month Monkey waits is a month of compound growth lost forever. Cannot be recovered. Start now with small amount. Common mistake. Checking investment account every day. Market will go down. Monkey will panic. Monkey will sell. Do not. Selling when market drops locks in the loss. Patient Monkey who holds through crash recovers. Panicking Monkey does not. Common mistake. Treating investment account like savings account. Taking money out for holiday or new phone. Do not do this. Investment account is for future Monkey, not for today Monkey. Today Monkey has emergency fund for unexpected needs. When banana company stock drops, Monkey buying monthly now gets more shares for same leaves. Lower price means better deal. Down market is friend of long-term Monkey, not enemy. Consistent investor welcomes lower prices. Panic seller regrets them. Simple framework. Emergency fund first. Then invest consistently. Increase amount when income grows. Never stop, even in bad times. Monkey does not need to be an expert. Does not need to understand every financial product. Just needs to start today. Same income. Same jungle. 2 monkeys making exact same leaves every month. One saves only. One saves and invests. After 10 years, small visible difference. After 20 years, significant difference. After 30 years, completely different financial lives. Same monkey. Same effort. Same starting point. One decision made differently. Compounded over 30 years. Completely different outcome. Leave sitting still or a decision. A decision to slowly lose to inflation. Every day, without exception. Leaves invested consistently are also a decision. A decision to slowly but powerfully build wealth. Same leaves. Different choice. Monkey does not need perfect plan. Does not need right time. Does not need large starting amount. Just start. Please subscribe.